Hey everyone, ready to dive into the world of crypto with UF Wallet? Today, I'm going to show you how to register a UF Wallet account. It's super simple and quick, so let's get started. First, you'll need to click on my referral link in the description below. This link will take you directly to the UF Wallet registration page. Once you're there, you'll see a sign up button. Click that and fill in your basic details like your username, email, and create a strong password. Make sure to use a unique password to keep your account safe. After filling in your details, you'll receive a confirmation email. Go ahead and open that email and click on the confirmation link. This will verify your email address and activate your account. Next up, head over to the Google Play Store and search for the UF Wallet app. You can also use my referral link again to go directly to the app download page. This way, I will get a small reward of $1. Download and install the app on your device. Once the app is installed, open it up and log in using the email and password you registered with. Boom, you're in. Now you'll have access to the full features of the UF Wallet platform. You can start exploring the various crypto services they offer, from secure wallets to easy transactions and money making. So there you have it, quick and easy steps to get you started with United Family Wallet. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips and guides. Happy crypto journey everyone, catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.